What's good? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers, back with another review. And today we got the Jordan 1 High Retro OG, Palomino. Yet another pair of Jordan 1s. Y'all already know what it is. They drop every other week. And this pair in particular, I would say is the most anticipated of the year. Released in September, intended to be a fall shoe. I personally copped on sneakers. It was a quick process. It didn't even take long. It was kind of like an automatic hit. Not sure what it was for everybody else out there, but I'm assuming that these came out in abundance. Regardless of that fact, they still seem to sell out quick. And I've seen a couple links popping up here and there, and those were selling out quick too. So definitely a favorite. First, let's start with the box. You know, this time around, we got the black box with the gold. Start at the toe. See black leather, white midsole, brown outsole. What you come to expect. Move to the toe box, brown suede. As far as the quality of the suede, it's pretty good, it's decent. It doesn't have too much give. Move up towards the tongue, black mesh tongue. At the top of the tongue, we have black Nike tag with gold lettering. What do you guys think about the gold? I'm not that big of a fan of the gold tag, to be honest, but it doesn't take anything away from the shoe. Comes with black shoelace. Don't think it came with any other pair of shoelace. Black sock liner, black insole with gold Nike Air. Move to the side view. Of course, the classic Jordan 1 silhouette. We have brown swoosh in the suede. And it's just basically the brown and black color blocking throughout. Wings logo. The quality is pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's as good as retros of the past, but it's definitely good money. Move to the midsole, and the midsole is a sail color. It's not like a pure white. I don't think like the pure white would have been bad either, but the sail definitely is the better choice. Move to the back. From the top of the heel tab, we got the black leather. Moving down, this is brown suede. Then we hit the midsole, brown outsole. Move to the inside of the shoe, pretty much like the outside. Take a look at the outsole. I wouldn't say the brown on the outsole is spot on as the brown on the rest of the shoe. It's probably a bit darker. So there you have it. Full detailed look at the Jordan 1 Palominos. Now for sizing, I suggest true to size. Personally, I'm a size 9 in Jordan 1s, Air Maxes. Mostly every sneaker across brands, I half size down in Air Force 1s and certain other models. But yeah, same as every other Jordan 1 you've been copying your whole life, true to size. Now for my thoughts, I'm digging them. I'm gonna keep it real, like these were a game time decision for me. First off, I'm not that crazy about Jordan 1s like that because they're Jordan 1s. It's like, okay, another Jordan 1. But I saw these, you know, previews and whatnot, and I thought they were pretty dope. And then coming up upon release date, I was like, yeah, it's gonna pretty much be a game time decision. And it really was that for me. I put my bid in with like a couple minutes left. I'm actually glad I did make that decision because these are actually really dope. I could definitely see these getting a lot of fanfare in the future. I don't think this is gonna go too crazy like some other Jordan 1s, but I think it'll be like at a mid-level, a pair that people are gonna wish they had copped back then, or that people are gonna wish they copped multiple pairs like right now. Overall, dope purchase. No complaints really besides the shipping. My box is mangled. And you know, the shoe was kind of like indented right here. We can take another quick look at the mochas and this pair because like I don't really care to do the comparison personally, but I know this is probably on a lot of people's minds. And you know, somebody who doesn't have both pairs is probably trying to figure out maybe they should get these or the Travis pair. The reality is that something like the mochas, which hold a decent resale value, is more in the realm of what somebody wants to get if they want like a brown Jordan 1, rather than just like jumping and copping some Travis for however much they going these days. And this pair coming out really like even the playing field because you could just get these for retail and not play resale. Suede on the mochas is darker, and the quality of the suede, it has like a bit more give to it. Unlike the suede on the Palominos, it looks like that aged suede. If I had to say, like if I had to choose one, I'm gonna go with the mochas, just cause I like the leather on the mochas and I like the darker brown. But this is like very, like not far behind. You know, it's like A and B. It's not like 1 and 2, you know what I'm saying? But you know, there you have it. Jordan 1, Palomino. Did y'all cop? However you feel about them, leave it below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that. It's just sneakers.